If I was moving to Richmond, Virginia or the surrounding area and my budget was $600,000, I need to get my closing costs covered, and I needed to write an offer on a house today, these are 3 homes that I would be looking at. If I'm looking to get some closing cost assistance, my strategy is going to be looking at homes that have been on the market a little bit of time, because that means that the seller is going to be more amicable. They're going to be more willing to do that. We're going to give you 2 options if you have some mini-me's, 1 option if you don't. If you have some mini-me's and you went to Google and you typed in top school districts in the Richmond metro area and you got these options, this is what you'd be basing your search off of. Of course, do your own due diligence. Based off of that, we came down here. Let's give you 1 option above the river, 1 option below the river. We are in Harper's Mill, you all. We've got 2,500 square feet. 2021 build. What does that mean? Less maintenance for you, more time for you to be focused on your mini-me's. Let's go through and take a look. Harper's Mill is known for their amenities. Great mini-me friendly area. Look at that herringbone tile. You like it? Okay. We're going to breeze through these pretty fast. You have fast eyes. You can get the concept. Nice primary. Okay, okay. Little Barry White's candlelights on the tub, but also a stand-up shower when you need to get it going. Okay. Look at this nice little loft area. You know, hey, don't be inside your rooms. Play the video games out here where I can monitor it. So when I tell you to go to sleep, I know you're not up playing Call of Duty, listening to Big X the Plug. Or Bruno Mars. I don't know. Who do kids listen to these days? Nice backyard. Mini-me's these days. Children. Nice. We are known. What are you getting for your HOA? Let's talk about this. So you have 4 beds, 3 full baths, right? Your HOA. Come on now. Your HOA is $200 a month, $200 a quarter. You're getting a clubhouse, common area maintenance, common area management fees, pool, recreational facilities. Fun stuff for you and your mini-me. Let's head north of the river. North of the river to Ashley Manor over in Mechanicsville. We are focused on what Google said is a top high school district. Let's check this out. We're at 520 on this property. Nice Tiffany blue door. Shadow boxing. We like the shadow boxing with the chair molding. Okay. All right, a little bit different style, but also a little bit different of a vibe in terms of area. Definitely important for you to make sure that you're checking out all areas, figuring out which is the best vibe for you. Look at that huge backyard. If that isn't a football backyard, I don't know what is. I mean, we can take some of these out, right? And just make it a straight football backyard. Baseball backyard, soccer, football, right? It's a nice activity background, active background. Gives you a nice aerial. Awesome, right? Now, let's give you a third option if you don't have any mini-me's. So we're going to go on over here and clear that out. Oh my goodness, look at all of those options that just popped up. That's craziness. Now we're going to talk about some walkable options if you don't have any mini-me's, and this is your criteria. So if you don't have any mini-me's, this would be a great solution for you. If you don't have any mini-me's and you are looking for a walkable part of town where things are at your fingertips, this is a great option for you. Let's come on over and let's check out this. We're going to check out some different ones, right? I like this already. We're going to redo this. Oh, sweet. I love it already. I love it already. And Churchill, oh my gosh. I love it already. You are surrounded by some of the best food in the city. Look at those details. My goodness. I was going to say, you're right by Libby Hill. Come on. That's the best sunset in the city. No way. No way. That is Chef's Kiss. Literally right by Libby Hill. That is Chef's Kiss, you guys. You have so much amazing food around this area. You've got the best sunrise in the city with Chimborazo Park. Lots of growth going around here, but you've got some of the best food in the city by far. That is an amazing option. Let's come on over here. What if you want a little bit more space? What if I don't want to be around people, Miles? What if I want a little bit of trees around me? Let's take a look at some of these Stratford Hills homes. Look, you got a garage. And you got more space here, right? That's virtually staged. You got a nice template to make it your own, right? Tri-level. on the space. Not everybody likes the tri-level, but I wanted to show you this because of the location, right? You're still in Richmond proper, but you've got some nice things going on there. So let's see what other options we have. Let's take a look at this Oxford home. Wow, look at this. Okay. Hello. My name is Miles, and I think I love you. Definitely. Most definitely love you. You're in Oxford. The awesome part about this part of town is look at that backyard. Look at that space. You see those mature trees? You are truly in nature in this part of town. And you're so close to pony pasture. Drop in down there. You guys, that's an amazing part. Wow. That's a big dub. That's a very big dub. I feel like I need to keep going. This is just incredible. Oh, let's just take a look at this North Ave home. How long has it been on? 121 days. We're not taking a look at that. Sorry. We're not taking a look at that. Let's come on over here to. This is right off of Willow Lawn. And it's a little bit too on the path. And with that, I think that those are 4 great options. If you don't already follow me, make sure to hit that follow button below. But in the words of the great American poet, peace up, A-Town down, baby. Make sure to follow.